this is how much money our channel made in 7 months.
Welcome to the Visual Center. I'm Trent.
And I'm Carlos.
This is a very exciting video for us to make, the first of many. We hope you're as excited as we are, and we know you can't wait to see how much money we've made, but
first, a word from our sponsors.
Didn't you get us a sponsor?
I thought you got the sponsor.
Well, what about that email you got?
Well, maybe I should write an email.
Yeah.
Before we get into the numbers, here are 5 tips to help you achieve what we've achieved.
First, be facial hair.
Next is consistent uploads. It's important to have a good schedule for uploading the videos to YouTube. On our channel, we've made a goal of uploading 2 videos a week, and we have a future goal of introducing an occasional third.
Third, always look for ways to improve.
For instance, the quality of Trent's early videos.
Shh. No.
Fourth, engage with your audience. We love getting questions from you, and we always make a point of trying to answer them as soon as we can. So if you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comments below.
Last, and most importantly, just start and never give up. We've got big plans coming and great content, so be sure to subscribe so you can follow along.
Now, let's jump into the channel analytics to see how much money we made on YouTube.
And be sure to stick around because we're going to show you some of our additional revenue streams, and that is where the real money is made.
So here we are on our YouTube dashboard, and if we go over to our analytics page, what you can see is that we're not making money because we're not even monetized yet.
Now these are some of our other revenue streams. First, we have clothing sales. Now how much did we make from that, Carlos?
Well, we started an account and you ordered a sample shirt.
So that would be negative then. Negative.
Next we have presets and texture packs.
Oh, how much money did we make from that?
Well, as we haven't published anything yet, that would be a 0.
Okay. Now next, and my personal favorite, would be Patreon. Let's take a look at our Patreon page. As it stands, currently, we have 0 patrons.
Now we were able to achieve 0 patrons with little to no effort. I think you can too.
Now there's going to be a link in the description for this video or here in the top of the screen. If you can, please join. We will be adding exclusive content just for our patrons here in the near future.
And now, the big one, affiliate links.
Now, I know that this one generated the most income.
Okay, how much did we make?
$5 from the Amazon affiliate program. While it has been a lot of work, with these tips and these other additional revenue streams, you too can be where we are.
It might be below minimum wage,
which is illegal.
So obviously we're kidding with this video and we just wanted to have some fun.
Now, we've hardly made a dime, but we are here and our goal is to provide you with valuable content.
We have a lot of big plans for the future, so make sure you subscribe and help support the Visual Center.
We'd also love to cover topics that you're interested in. So if you have anything you'd like us to cover, be sure to add them to the comments below. Now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you
in
next
the next
time.
Video.
Okay.
My mommy made me eat my M&M's. That's for you, McDonough.
I'm Trent.
In our
channel.
Now let's jump into the channel. Let's jump into the channel analytics. jump onto now let's do that. Stop laughing. Now let's jump. Now let's jump into the channel jump into the channel analytics and see how we did on YouTube.